Hi guys, Gidra. Again and again. All right. Basement wall, office space. Remember those? So I took everything off, right? And I want to put them back on because that was my like kind of goal, to see what's happening. And in here, actually, I was so lucky to have this figured out that it didn't matter if I started on a top or a bottom. They were going on evenly, right? I didn't need to cut anything. So why don't I start on a bottom or a top? Oh my goodness. I have to make another decision again. Let's start on the top. So let's see, another experiment. These been on the wall before. And again, saving everything. My space is clean, somewhat clean. I took everything away. I was telling you guys, take everything out of the way, right? Make yourself enough room. Take the picture frames off. Anything that could break. We don't want that, right? So everything is ready for your wall. Again, why is it even? The beauty of this is you just took it off and readjusted it. Ta-da! Done. Wow. My gosh. All right, let's see. Let's see. Actually, I think it's just so awesome to have something on your wall, especially if you work from home and this is your office space, right? So when you, this one is interesting. Oh. You know what? I think I put it on the wrong side up. It's not coming off. Okay, another thing to learn. Gosh, I think I've done a lot of those like that. Hopefully I didn't. Well, you're learning with me, right? So you learn from me. Again, lesson number whatever, infinity. If you're reusing these and saving all the stickies, the adhesives, put them back on where your yellow arrow is on the top. You see, I put it on the bottom and it's not coming off. Yeah, it's sticking. Well, that's a good thing. We know how sticky they are. They don't come off easy. We want that. We don't want them just to fall off, right? But now let me see. Lesson. Yeah, I want these to be my hard-learned lessons. To be easy-learned lessons, enough hard life lessons. This should be a fun project, not the hard one. All right. Okay. No, this one, not even. So, come on. Let's do this again. And yeah, maybe gentler. Try it again. Huh. This one is not going on like that. So let's see. We'll come back here. Ah. Yeah, be nice. I may have to put this one on the bottom. And again, you know, the walls, they are not perfect. We are trying to hide all these imperfections, right? So they are not perfect. And maybe it was me who did this. Let's see, how is this alignment? Maybe I'll have to move them. Because you see, my corner is not really like a straight corner. It's rounded, so it's a little harder. That's why it's a little hard. Oh gosh, if I'm saying some words wrong, please forgive me. As I said, English not the first language, not the second either. So should not be straight. Oh no! Oh God! Yeah, it just like makes me so nervous when I pick it up and look at it. Which way did I put it on? Right way or wrong way? All right. Let's see. Okay. figure it all out. I don't know if you see anything. No, you don't. Let me come closer. Oh, man. Here you go. Wow. Me and my video recording skills. Hopefully I'll get better. Eventually I'll get better, right? So many things to learn. All right, so. Okay. 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 This I saved for these sides. All right. That too. And we talked about it. If you don't save the adhesive parts, recycle. If you want to throw it away, just recycle. You don't need to save it. You know it's gonna stay on the wall for a while, or you're going to remove it and just throw it away. Recycle. Save the planet. Right? God only knows. Maybe next time this will be from the recyclable material. What we save and use. I see the tape. All right, let's save this one. Because it's gonna come on this wall. On the ones that I use. You see? I know what I use for the ones that have the door. No, I know you. I know that it's going on the right side. Yeah. Please. Don't cause trouble. Trouble. Right. You know, I really wonder if I could go over with some paint to make them look a little bit more antique and give it some character. We'll see, why not. This is my canvas wall, as I say, my project wall. But for you guys, and you know, did I just lost the trace of my thought? So if it is your home office, look how nice it's gonna be. You're zooming with your whatever work you have going on in a meeting, and you know, your co-workers or the clients will notice this awesome wall. It's so original, so unique. We'll say, wow, I like your wall. Where are you working from? Like, oh, I don't know. From my house. I did it myself. You like? I think that's so cool. So cool. Same. Look how fast this is. Oh, another one with the tape. Good. Oh, yellow. Good. So, again, we're going on the second time. So this tile was on already. And it's coming back on. So I removed it. It didn't pull any paint off, right? There was one spot that I cannot even see where. Oh, it's here a little bit. Nothing to a visible eye. Ooh, another one that is with a tape. I know where these from. I needed them. Already got. Ooh, look at me. I even packed it back. Wow. So good. So good. Another one. Nice. And I'm pretty proud of myself too, doing this, right? Another double. Okay. Another double. I mean, they all were coming from these walls where the door is. I'm even thinking what to do with that door. Do I paint it light gray to get it all like mashed in into this or like crackle it, you know, with a gray paint. Well, I don't know. I'll think about it, right? I like to think about it. Please, you think too. Be creative. My gosh. You know, life could be so like dull and boring, especially in the winter. But once you get something going and thinking, like wow, this year. All right. Oh, so good, so good. So far I made one mistake where I put the adhesive back on wrong. Hopefully that's the only one. Hopefully that's the only one. So far everything is going on back on pretty good. You see, and look at the workspace. What I need, even if I didn't even have a chair, I don't need a chair, right? We don't need much of the space. We don't need much of the space. That's what I like about it. No mess, clean hands, no glue, no, gosh, what else could be messy? Anything that would be messy. But, and as I said before, you know, I've taken a lot of wallpaper off the walls, and the wallpaper would damage the walls badly. We would have to prime it with kills and patch. Just so many steps to bring that wall back to life, actually, to make it usable again and appealing in a way. This, nothing. You saw the tile comes off. Tile is still good. The wall is good. Oh, it's another with this. I have to watch myself. That happens to me all the time. Clumsy. Just clumsy. No, don't put it there. Don't. Okay? Right here. Okay? Makes sense. Tea. Still haven't showed you how to make that tea. Well, I promise. Best tea ever, especially in the winter. Especially in a winter. Oh my god. No. So good. Oh, but it's this one. Wonder how will I reuse that one that I messed up. Hope I'm able to. I hope I'm able to. Okay, I have a few left. So I'll finish. I will finish. What's that? Still a good one. Okay. Oh, I have, yeah. I'll go here. So you see me, guys, right? Let me show you closer how it looks. Not to make sure I'm not breaking anything. See? Here we go. Our wall. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. So pretty. Okay. I'm walking backwards. Hopefully I'm not falling off something, not hitting anything. Okay, I'll pause you for a second to finish that wall. I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, look at that. It's done. It is done. And my workspace right here, right? The wall is done. I will finish it. I'll finish this wall tomorrow. But that's it. Look at that. I don't know. Did it take half hour? Maybe? Something like that. It's quick. It's quick, looks great. We'll do the touch-ups next time. All right, guys. Oopsie. Work is complete. Love it. Wow. Ooh, the hardest part is to figure out this. So it's done. Wow. Looks great. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Wow. As I say, maybe half an hour, maybe, if. So it goes on quick. Trip to the dollar store, putting them on. Well, it would be a little bit more first time because you have to take them out of these wraps, but save it, right? So you'll be able to put them back in. There we go. All right. Oh, my furnace is gonna save everything. My recommendation. I really recommend that. Okay. All right, guys. Well, if it was what should I say, informative, if you liked it, hit like or subscribe. I never remember. No, I'm having too much fun doing this, so I don't remember the formalities of all of this. But just keep creating. Let me know. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. We have to finish this wall, this here, and a door, and maybe paint it, and maybe do something else, right? Okay, love you. Keep creating. Be safe. Bye.